How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. So if you want to know that if someone is online on Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and go with the profile option, which is on the upper left. And under profile now, you just need to simply go with the settings, which is on the upper right. And under settings now here, if you have an option of activity status or activity indicator, you just need to simply go with that. And here you need to turn on the activity indicator. Once you enable, others can see if you have been active on Snapchat recently, and you will also be able to see if other people are active on Snapchat. So you just need to simply go back. Once you turn that on, now you can go with chats, and under chats here you can refresh your page. Once you've refreshed, now if you go with any one of these chats, so if you go with the profile of that person, here you will have a green dot. So the green dot indicates that the person is active on Snapchat. So in this way, you'll be able to know if someone is online or active on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.